Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. This is Introduction to Psychology Part 1 PSY 312 by Dear Knowledge. Okay, till now under the topic of the nervous system, we have successfully completed the part of the central nervous system. Now if you haven't watched that video, I have given links in the description. You can click on that link and you can watch that video. Now, nervous system is divided into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. As I told you, we have successfully completed the part of the central nervous system, and I have given links in the description. You can watch that video. And the other subdivision is the peripheral nervous system, which is further divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Now, in our previous video, we have successfully completed the part of the somatic nervous system, and its two types. I will just give you a quick review or a revision of the previous video about the somatic nervous system. Now, somatic nervous system is basically subdivision of the peripheral nervous system that regulates voluntary functions. Now, somatic nervous system is further divided into afferent nerves and efferent nerves. Now, afferent nerves are those nerves that carry information to the central nervous system from the periphery. And efferent nerves are those nerves that carry information from the central nervous system to the periphery. Now, in this video, we will be discussing about the autonomic nervous system. Let's start with the proper definition of the autonomic nervous system. The definition includes subdivision of the peripheral nervous system that regulates involuntary functions. Now, the autonomic nervous system is basically the other subdivision of the peripheral nervous system. The word autonomic means self-governing. As the name indicates, the autonomic nervous system deals with functions which are out of independent nature. Now, the autonomic nervous system is made up of nerves that connect to the heart, the blood vessels, and smooth muscles and glands. Now, as its name hints, the autonomic nervous system is a separate or autonomous system, although it is ultimately governed by the central nervous system. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary visceral functions that people don't normally think about, such as heart rate, digestion, and perspiration. Now, many of the activities that this system controls, such as digestion and circulations, are self-regulating and continue even when a person is asleep or unconscious. Now, the autonomic nervous system controls the glands and the smooth muscles, including the heart, the blood vessels, and the lining of the stomach and intestine. Now, smooth muscles are so named as that is how they look under microscope. Thus, the autonomic nervous system involuntary functions such as heartbeat, blood pressure, breathing, and digestion. This processes occurs with little or no conscious involvement. Now, let's talk about the importance of the autonomic nervous system. Now, this is fortunate because if you had to mentally command your heart to beat or your stomach to digest the pizza you had for lunch, it would be difficult to focus your attention on anything else. Now, however, the autonomic nervous system is not completely self-regulating, because as by engaging physical activity or purposely tensing or relaxing your muscles, you can increase or decrease your autonomic activity. Now, you can also influence your autonomic activity with mental imagery. Vividly imagining a situation that makes you feel angry, frightened, or even sexually aroused can dramatically increase heart rate and blood pressure. Now, a peaceful mental image can lower many autonomic functions. Now, let's talk about the types of the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system is further divided into sympathetic division and parasympathetic division, which we will be discussing in our next video. Now, till now, if your concept is clear, you can like the video, and if not, you can ask us in the comment section. If you want to stay notified for the upcoming videos, you can subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you can never miss any notification from Dear Knowledge and get instant notification. You can also share the link of the video and channel with your friends and family, because sharing is caring. Until then, Allah Hafiz.